Fiberlit Walls Installation Video. Remember, this product is designed exclusively for internal applications with exposed joint. Install the wood or metal structure with a maximum spacing of 61 centimeters on center, which must be properly plumb and level. Install the Plycem Fiberlit board on the structure following these instructions. Never fasten the screws in the corners. Apply a distance of 20 centimeters between screws. Remember to fasten the screws 1.5 centimeters from the edge. In the corners, apply a distance of 15 centimeters from the long edge and 5 centimeters from the short edge. If you choose to emphasize the joint between sheets, you can modulate with a spacing of at least 3 millimeters, depending on the width of the supporting structure. Highlight the joint between sheets by modulating with a spacing of at least 3 millimeters according to the width of the supporting structure, or place a wood, metal, or plastic flashing. For a better finish, patch the screw holes with patching paste, and then paint with 100% acrylic paint. See the complete installation guide at www.plycem.com.